everything I dreamt of it was true. I take your blessings with your heartaches too.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I'm announcing Resting Angelface, which is my lash collab with Doe Lashes. If you've been following me since the start of my channel, you just know that I always wear lashes with every single look. Like, it's very rare that I don't wear lashes. So I created these two, which are literally every single aspect of lashes you can think of. I considered the length, the color, the curl, the spacing, the flare, the lash band. I wanted these to be perfect, you know, and not gonna lie, they kind of are. So let's get into the collab. So first let's start with the two individual lashes. This is 1111. 1111 I named it because I always include it in my intros. My mom always told me to make a wish when you see 1111. So I've always done that ever since I was younger. And a few years ago, my friend Crystal told me that seeing 1111 means an angel is trying to tell you something. So I thought it fit the theme really well, especially since it's always in the beginning of my videos. And so these are the full brown lashes. I switched to brown eyeliner a few years ago and I love it. Because I'm always wearing winged liner, I like that the brown is a little more subtle. And ever since I switched to brown eyeliner, I've been obsessed with brown lashes, which I've only ever been able to get from Japan. But even then, they aren't very obviously brown. Like, I wanted something that was clearly brown, that it looks like your eyes are just a nice chocolatey shade. I was very particular with the color of these. I wanted them to be brown, but not too much of an orangey brown. So we came to this color, which I think is a very nice, subtle, natural brown. So these are like my dream lashes. So if you're also a fan of brown eyeliner, you need this. Like, it literally ties the entire look together. I left both lashes a little bit longer, so you can trim them down. But the reason why I left them longer is because after you cut the lashes, keep the excess. And what I do is I stack it onto the end of the lashes, and then you sort of have two looks with one pair of lashes. So if you want the more flared look, or you're wearing the lashes during the daytime and then you want it a little bit more dramatic at nighttime, all you have to do is just stack the other end on top. Obviously, I love the lashes just by themselves too, but if you are a fan of more like flared lashes, or you want your eyes to be more lifted, that's a really nice way to like transform these lashes. You can always take off the end if you don't feel like having it on there anymore. So yeah, that's 1111. Moving on to ABG. ABG usually stands for Asian Baby Girl, but for this collab, it stands for Angel Baby Girl. These are a mixture of black and brown lashes. So these lashes are very natural, but if you look up close, you'll see that there are brown lashes on top and then the black lashes are on the bottom. And that's because I wanted to create a gradient upwards. It's super subtle, but it makes the lashes look so natural and just so flattering for my eyes. With these lashes, I also wanted to make them more separated. So you know the look when you put on mascara and then you like pinch the lashes together to get that separation look, right? So I wanted to imitate that look with these lashes. And then of course, these lashes are both flared at the ends to give you that really flattering cat eye winged look. That was probably a really long explanation for these lashes, but I'm just so proud of them and I put so much thought and effort into both of these. So I'm really excited for you guys to try them. They're the most flattering lashes I've ever worn. And honestly, there's nothing like this out there right now. Like, the Japanese lashes that I used to wear, they're very natural, but they're not as flattering as these because these have a little bit more length. They have the flared ends and they're perfect. Moving on to the Resting Angelface lash kit. This is so cute. We worked with an artist called Peritopia for this, and I think she captured the vibe of this collection perfectly. Like, the colors and everything just so perfect. But yeah, we have the name of the collab, Resting Angelface, up here. When you open it up, I have a note for you to read here, the lashes and a lash applicator and some glue. So you'll be able to tell which ones I created because they're in a different packaging. And then we have three of my favorite Doe lashes here. So we have Fairy Dust, Cloud9, and Fuccboi Repellant here. If you see me wear Doe lashes before, you probably saw me wear the Fuccboi Repellant ones. These are my favorite dramatic lashes. The thing that Doe does really well is creating dramatic lashes for Asian eyes. I love that their lashes make you feel glam, but it doesn't cover up your entire eyelid, you know? Like, I've definitely made that mistake before of where I wore lashes that reached my eyebrows, and not to say there's anything wrong with that, but it just wasn't very flattering for me. Like, it swallowed up my eyes and then you couldn't even see the eyeshadow that I applied. I think this is honestly a perfect selection of lashes. Like, I would be fine with having just these in my lash collection, because you have the two that I made, which are the perfect natural pair. You have a semi-natural pair down here, which is just like, it's black, it's a little bit thicker than these. And then you have like the next level that's a little bit thicker. It has even more spikiness. And then you have the Fuccboi Repellant one, which is like just thick, like there's a lot of volume in there. And then on the back, I wrote another note, and that's resting Angelface. I'm so happy with how this came out. It's perfect, just exactly what I envisioned it to be. Then last but not least in this collab, we have the Heaven Sent bundle. So this kit includes all of your lash essentials outside of the lashes themselves, basically. I would recommend getting this if you're a beginner with lashes. So we have a lash applicator in blue here, and then we have lash tweezers. So these tweezers, I like to use these when I apply mascara and I'm doing the separation thing. But if you're using this for the actual purpose, then for beginners, I would recommend using this lash applicator to first just stick the lash on your eye, and then taking the tweezers, going in and putting them on the ends. The Heaven Sent bundle also comes with scissors, so you can trim your lashes. I really like the Doe scissors because they have a little bit of a curve to them. When you're trimming your lashes, you're trying to cut just the band, not the hairs themselves. And with regular scissors, it's really easy to accidentally cut off some hairs off the ends, you know, when they're flared out and then you accidentally just cut straight across. With these, it just cuts like at an angle, so it doesn't catch onto any hairs. And then next we have the new Doe Lash Compact. This is really good for traveling or if you bring your lashes on the go with you. So in here, you could stick the glue that comes in the kit. It's just a mini glue. It has 3 trays for you to stick your favorite pairs of lashes. It also has a mirror that says, "Hey beautiful, your lashes look good." And then the last item comes in this little pouch, and it's the Doe Lashes mascot, which is the Nara plushie. So cute. And that concludes my first ever beauty collab. And this is also actually Doe Lashes' first ever collab too. So it's very exciting for both of us. I think everything came out so perfectly. I'm so excited for you guys to get this. We know that I wouldn't release something that wasn't perfect in the first place, but it's just like extra perfect, like 100%. 110% perfect. I feel like I've been talking too much, but I'm just super excited. So in conclusion, you can shop the Jessie X Doe collection now at the link in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Everything I dreamt of it was true. I take your blessings with your heart.